Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will explain you and show you different parts which are used in motherboard. Means this is the first video of laptop repairing. Okay, so many successive videos I will make. So how you can repair your laptop by yourself. Okay, so what are the different tools to be used? Oh, okay, and how you can do if any type of problem it comes when you repair your laptop, then how you can rectify those problems. And like that means all type of problem, what type of fault it is in the laptop. So if some problem it comes, whether it is in software or in hardware, then how you can rectify those and troubleshoot those problems. Okay, it means each and every thing I will explain uh, in successive videos. So all videos are going to be uploaded, okay, in a very short period of time. But uh, whenever you face any type of problem related to um, not laptop or computer or any other topics, then you can go to the playlist section of my channel, and there you will get different types of videos on different topics. Okay, so let's start. And don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon, so that when I will upload videos on laptop, I means other comments about the different parts and components, how different parts work in the laptop, just like microprocessor, RAM, how these parts work, and battery, hard disk drive, Wi-Fi, wireless module, or LCD, okay, SSD, USB. Means how these different components work together to make this very important. Okay, so one by one I will explain in detail, so you like, so that whenever I upload videos related to uh, laptop repairing, okay, or related video, then you will get the notification and recommendation also. So now let's start. Say here, as you can see on your screen, here I have opened my laptop. This is Dell Inspiron, Dell Inspiron this is, and the model, it is, let me check, this is Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series. This is, okay, 3000 series, Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop this is. And I have uncovered this one. It was in the back, you see, it was like this. Okay, so I unscrewed here, so screws were there at these places, so I removed these screws. Okay, these screws I removed, and then after I means there is also a video on disassembling, how you can disassemble your laptop or assemble your laptop, also in the playlist section. I will upload those videos also. So after removing that back cover, so you will reach here. Okay, so what are different components are here. Now you see, the first thing, here it is the battery. Okay, so this battery you have to remove first. Here it is written, disconnect the battery before accessing any parts or device. So what here, it is the recommendation by the manufacturer is Dell, that before you do, means if any type of hardware failure it comes to your laptop, then in that case, before attempting to rectify any problem, the first thing is that you have to remove the battery. So that's why I removed. So how you can see, here it is the connector. First of all, here 4 screws were there, then I unscrewed, and then after here power connect, here it is given. So this cable this connector is connected to this part here. It was connected like this, and I removed from here, and from here this laptop get its what power. Okay, so this one, it was about battery. One by one I will explain. Now I removed that battery, so I removed this one also. Then the second thing it comes, as here you can see here this part. So this is that is power connector, means power cable. AC adapter, you can see this AC adapter of the laptop. Here it was connected. Okay, here we connect like this. So from here it goes to this through here. It comes to this battery, because this is connected to the motherboard. Okay, so internally, there it is connection from here to here, this part. And from here, the supply goes to battery, this battery for charging. And when it for charging here, from here internally, means there it is circuit, you can see. I will show you to the back of this motherboard. So I removed already. So internally it is connected, and then supply it comes here. Okay, supply it comes here. Okay, one by one I will show you. I have already removed. So here you can see, here this is RAM. Okay, so how to increase your RAM, how you can increase your RAM, just like if it is 4 GB, then how you can extend to 8, 12, 16 or something greater than that, then how you can do that. Okay, and any particular model of laptop, to what extent it can support the RAM, means up to what GB, just like it may be the limit, it is 16 GB or 32 GB, like that. Okay, so I will explain in different videos about. So about RAM, I will make separate videos. So today I'm going simply explaining about different parts, what are different parts are. So here this is RAM. Okay, here the RAM, it is connected. This is RAM, one more slot it is given for RAM. So here I can extend the RAM. And here this is wireless module, just like Wi-Fi. So this is a Wi-Fi module, and details about this also I have discussed in other video, in which I have explained about Wi-Fi module. Okay, and here you can see here slot it is given for SSD. Okay, so SSD also I connect, since in this laptop only hard disk type. Now you can see here only one hard disk here it is given. So there it is option that if I want, then I can connect to this hard disk also. Okay, and then you can here use, we'll see. Now here it is after SSD, you can see here, and this is for speaker. Okay, this is speaker. Now you can see here it is SPK written here on this motherboard. Okay, here about a speaker, detailed video I will make on the speaker and working also. Here it is the connector for the speaker. If any problem it comes, then you can change here also. And this is ribbon cable for the keyboard. So keyboard is just below this. Okay, so this is fixed type of keyboard here. If you want to change, then you will have to remove this wall. Okay, I will make videos on that also, that how you can remove this fixed cover to remove your keyboard, because in other laptops it is possible that from the front you can remove keyboard and then you can change, but in this it is not like that. So you have to, if you want to remove the keyboard, if you want to change the keyboard, then you have to remove this whole uh, this whole part you have to remove. Okay, after this after removing this motherboard, you have to remove this, and then after you can change the keyboard. Okay, keypad. So have keypad completed, then after you see here it is So here this is processor. Okay, this is processor. How it fits, it was like this. Okay, it was set like this. It was like this. Okay, I remove, I unscrewed. So here it is. So, and this is heat dissipate, heat sink, you can say, heat dissipator. This works as heat dissipating lamp, because when a processor or graphics card work, then those means whether it is the processor or whether it is the graphics card becomes, what generate means, processor and graphics card generates a lot of heat. To dissipate that heat, here a heat dissipator is used. And here that was, okay, fan, there it was. Here fan, it was connected like this. Okay, it was like this. Okay, this is about the fan. Okay, so I removed by unscrewing this. To, I know you got that, for what purpose it is used. It is used for dissipating the heat generated by processor and graphics card. Okay, and here this section, it is for external memory card and USB port. Okay, and here USB sections are given. So two USB here and one here. And this is for HDMI. This is HDMI port, and this is for LAN. Okay, this is for a LAN connection, LAN connector. This is, and this is a touchpad. So if here simply you have to remove four screws. Here screws were given, so 1 2. So by unscrewing those, you can, and simply, if you remove, now you can see to the back. So this is touchpad. Okay, so if there is any problem, then you can move. Means detailed video how this all works, I'm going to upload, and I will upload, and then you will get how you can uh, rectify the problem, whether it is the problem means in what part there is problem. You can understand in an easy way. And this is for display connector. Okay, this is display connector, and this is power cable connector. Now you can see AC adapter here, it comes here, and then it goes to this motherboard through this port. And if it is anything left, then I will also, now you can see how you can remove. Now if it is possible, now you can see here, if you want to change the speaker, if problem comes, then simply you can remove, and then you can change the speaker also. Okay, and if you want to change hard disk drive, then here also screws are there. So these four screws you can remove, and then after you unplugged, I have already unplugged this from the motherboard, so you can unplug from this motherboard. Okay, unplug. And but be careful that whenever you to remove this cable, any part, then you have to be careful that you don't twist this ribbon cable too much, because these ribbon cables are very sensitive. If too much twisting it is going to happen, then it may get damaged. Okay, so here on this motherboard, dissipator, here it is the process, here it is the processor, here it is the graphics card. So on this laptop, I have 2 GB integrated graphics and 2 GB dedicated graphics. So for dedicated graphics, this graphics, it is already embedded here. Okay, so this And this is all about different parts. This is for the this is for display. If any type of problem is whatever type of problems you are facing, you can write in the comment section. I will make videos on those topics also. Okay. Here I you see here I will have to place this carefully. So this is it. Okay. And thank you all. So everything I think I have already covered. If there is anything left, then you can write down in the comment section, so that I will make videos on those topics also, which am not able to cover in this video. Okay. So I think that is sufficient for today. In this for sufficient for this video. So I will make a videos on other components also, means one by one. So for example, I will make videos how you can disassemble laptop, just like I have disassembled this laptop. So how you can disassemble this laptop, and that how you can assemble, how you can again assemble this laptop. Okay. How you can change RAM. So this is RAM, how you can change, how you can increase your RAM capacity, how you can improve the performance of your laptop, how you can extend, means how you can increase the hard disk drive capacity. Okay. How you can change that, how you can use SSD. So if your Wi-Fi it is not working, then what type of problem it is, due to which the Wi-Fi it is not working. And if you got the problem, then how to rectify that problem. What if a display is not working? So if display is also not working, then I will also will make that how you can change the display or of your laptop. Okay. These all things I will cover, means so where each and everything, means you simply write down in the comment section so on what topic I will have to make video, and I will definitely make and I will upload, so that you people get benefit from this video. So here, thank you all.